A statement that has the same indentation with its previous if statement will always be executed. I'm attending an online course on Python. Regarding the above code, Code 1, the lecturer said that I equals 21 will execute whether or not the test expression is true, because I equals 21 has the same indentation with the if statement, meaning I equals 21 is not part of the if statement. However, the lecturer also said the following code, Code 2, is the same as the following code, Code 3. Doesn't this contradict what he previously said? I equals 21 in Code 1 and return B in Code 2 both have the same indentation with their previous if statements, but why I equals 21 will always execute no matter the test expression is true or false, while return B will execute only when the test expression, A greater than B, is false. How do you decide whether the statement immediately following the if construct which has the same indentation with the if line should execute? In another word, how do you decide whether that statement is part of the if construct?
This is a great question you have asked, and it's an issue a lot of new people have with functions specifically. The issue lies with the return keyword. In a function, when it returns a value, the function immediately breaks. Thus, no subsequent code in the function is run. Because of this, we can shorthand our conditional statements to observe. When we call test, only hello is printed. One reason this is helpful is to stop erroneous whitespace when having multiple conditional statements in Python. Of course, in most other programming languages, since whitespace isn't a feature, it's not as necessary. Imagine you were writing a function to check if a number was prime, where lots of conditional statements were required. Of course, for the sake of this example, this isn't efficient. Knowing that a return breaks the function, we can rewrite this as see how the indentation is so much cleaner?
That's because you can't return twice from a function. When if is satisfied, it will return and won't execute any more statement. So, the next return statement is unreachable. The next return will only execute when if is failed. Else is also executed when if is failed. That's why your teacher says, both of them are same.
This